We go to item number 2. In the American War Gauge or AWG system, what happens as the gauge number increases? Again, kapag tumataas po yung gauge number niya, no? So ano po yung mangyayari dito? Is that A, the wire becomes thicker and can carry more current. Letter B, the wire gains more insulation for higher voltage. Letter C, the wire becomes thinner and carries less current. Or letter D, the wire becomes more resistant to corrosion. What is your choice item number 2? The choice natin dito would be, this is letter C, no? The wire becomes thinner and carries less current. Okay? Tandaan po natin ha, kapag sinabi kasi nating American War Gauge, no? Kapag tumataas po yung kanyang gauge number, it means thinner. Okay? Manipis po yung ating kable. Okay? Pero kapag mababa naman yung kanyang gauge number, it means makapal yung ating kable. No? So, kumbaga dito, no? Once we compare our 10 AWG sa ating number 14 AWG, thicker po yung ating number 10, no, compare po sa ating number 14. Okay? Tandaan nyo po yan ha. Again po, kapag tumaas po yung gauge number ng ating mga kable, it means manipis, no, thinner po yung ating wire. Kapag mababa po yung kanyang gauge number, it means makapal yung ating kable. Okay? Sana nakuha po natin yung konsepto po ng ating American War Gauge.